You guys, I just made a huge mistake. I put my glasses on because I wanted to see if I could see myself in the viewfinder. And you know what? I'm like, I guess it looks okay. And then as soon as I took them off, I'm like, I can't see anything. So now I'm all worried about it being blurry again. So if I am blurry, I'm just gonna cry about it later. So anyways, I decided to cut the camera back on today, even though I just posted a video yesterday, and I'm not sure when I'm actually gonna post this video. I'm thinking maybe tomorrow morning, not sure, but I'll figure that out later. Anyways, I have literally been doing laundry all day because I wasn't doing laundry before I moved because I didn't know what I was doing with myself. I didn't know when I was gonna move, so I was kind of just letting the laundry pile up, pile up, pile up, and I was just kind of wearing the same outfit every day, like washing it, re-wearing it, and I was like, I'll do the laundry another time. So now I'm actually paying for that big time because not only do I have like 2 new loads of dirty laundry I have to do just from living, you know, the past week or whatever, but now I also have to figure out 2 other loads of laundry that are actually clean, but since they've been sitting in the basket so long, they got wrinkled, so now I just gotta figure out what to do with myself. So I've been doing a lot of laundry today and reorganizing and just trying to go through everything, and it's just a crazy mess, but that is not what this video is about. I wanted to show you guys some new products I got. Just in case you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, I mean, I don't know if you were wondering, but just in case you were, I want y'all to know I am wearing my Cosmetics lip gloss. This is in Fiji. It's the hot pink one I showed you guys before. It is the light up one that has the little light in there and the mirror on the side. It is so pretty. I'm in love with it. So just in case you was wondering. So I got some new shades in from a company called Sunskis. I'm going to assume that's what it is. Sunskis Dipsies? That reminds me of the Teletubbies or something. But anyways, so you know what? I've owned a lot of sunglasses in my lifetime, and I just don't think you can have too many pairs of sunglasses, honestly. Because I think sunglasses kind of go with my mood. Like, some days I want to wear this one, some days I don't want to wear that one. So it just kind of depends on my mood. So I love getting new sunglasses, and I put an order in on Octoly for these sunglasses. So I'm going to share them with you guys. So they come in this box here. These are, oh, the style is Dipsies, okay, and the frame is frosted. The lens is sky polarized. You can find them at sunskis.com, and they are protected in a little package. I've actually already opened them and tried them on, but I just put a bag of the package for y'all. I think they're pretty cute. What do you think? Yay or nay? They actually fit really well to my face, which is funny because most sunglasses don't. I think I have like such a strange little face that glasses are usually just like on me, but these fit really well and they feel really comfortable, so I really like them. They also come with this little paper here which just says Sunski. It also came with a little sticker, and I don't know what I did with that, but this gives just some instructions on how to clean them and whatnot. Come with another paper here that pretty much tells you kind of how to keep up with them, like if you're going to be in salt water or using sunscreen, and how to store them. Also came with this little pack of poison. And then they come also with their own little protective carrying case, which says live life outside, and it's like a pretty blue. So yeah, like I said, I got these complimentary, like for a review from Octoly, and I really needed new sunglasses, so I'm like, hey girl, hey, let me have some of them. And I really like them, so I'm glad I put in an order for them. I forgot to mention, I'm in another new filming area today because I just cannot figure out where I want to start filming. And I feel like in the past, I've always been like in one certain place like every video, so I kind of want to switch it up right now. So I'm just gonna go with the flow. Anyways, thank you Sunskis for these sunglasses. I can't wait to use them this summer. It's still winter here in Virginia, which really sucks, but I will be rocking these by the pool all summer long. Another product I got, you guys, I got these brushes in from Koki Professionals. I did not want to use this brush until I showed it on camera, but I got so tempted the other day, I just started swirling it all over my face because I could not resist. So it looks a little dirty, but this brush is bae. No, seriously, do you see how big it is? It is like so luscious. It feels so amazing. you will literally just want to rub it on your face for the rest of your life for no particular reason, not even to put makeup on. If you get this brush, you'll just want to sit there and just like do this all day because it feels so good. But I really like this brush. I think it was actually a foundation brush, and I don't know what I'm going to use it for just yet. I'm thinking it would be really good for foundation though, because if you could see, this just does like my whole forehead right there, so I feel like it would make putting on a foundation so much faster than dabbing that beauty blender on 5 million times, beating your face with it. So yeah, I also got this brush from Octoly and the company Koki, and they also sent me this other brush, which is like a little flat application brush for like foundation. Have not used this one yet, but it does feel really nice, and I think it's going to work really well with putting concealers and stuff under my eye. But this brush, I'm telling you, it is so soft and luscious. Another thing I wanted to show you guys that I got that I am so excited about is this body spray. Oh my gosh. Have you ever heard of Sol De Janeiro? They make the bum bum cream. They also have like that foot fetish kit or whatever that comes with like the scrubber and the cream and all that. But if you've ever smelled their bum bum cream, it smells so good. Like, girl, you are going to the beach in the summer. So yeah, they released a body spray that smells exactly like the bum bum cream, and the bum bum cream smells amazing. So they put it in spray firm. Spray firm? Oh my god. So they put it in spray form. It's called Brazilian Crush. It's body fragrance mist. So this stuff smells literally like girl, you are walking along the beach, but it don't smell like no ocean water or nothing. It smells like, I don't know how to explain it. I literally do not know how to explain it, but it's got that summer smell, girl. And I cannot wait to rock this all summer. I'm not about to wear it in the winter because this winter has got to go. So I'm not even going to give winter a second of my time or a spray of my parfum. So I'm waiting for summer to wear this. I'm gonna rock it all summer, and I'm probably going to be eaten by every bug in sight because it smells so sweet and amazing. If you love the smell of the bum bum cream, you'll go crazy over this Brazilian Crush. So I have nothing else to show you guys except this face, so you're gonna have to deal with that for now. If you hear any crazy noises, there is a washer going, there is a fan going from the air conditioner, and God only knows what else you'll hear. Anyways, I've just had like a really weird day. Like I said, I've been organizing, doing laundry. I think I've ate 3 times already today. I got up early once again. I had breakfast. Then not long after, I was like, man, I'm starving. So I ate some more. A few hours later, I'm like, I'm really hungry. I don't know what my problem is, but I just feel like eating the entire place today. Nah, it's probably nothing new. I'm actually always hungry. Whatever. Anyways, so my earrings are from Walmart, just in case you was wondering. My cute bracelets are from Ulta. My mommy got them for me. They have pink lips on them, which I thought was so appropriate because I was wearing my Cosmetics hot pink lip gloss. And it even has like a little pink lipstick on it and a heart and stuff. These are just cute little bangles. My cross necklace, which represents my Lord and Savior. My husband got this for me our first Christmas. I love it. One of my favoriteest pieces of jewelry, except my wedding ring that I ain't even got on. Cause it's in the other room, all right, in my ring holder. Back it up. Anyways, I actually guess I'm going to end this video because I feel like I'm just in one of those insane moods where God only knows what I'm going to say, and I can hear my birds chirping, and you know what? I'm usually pretty tolerant when it comes to the birds because birds make noises, you know? But these birds, I don't know what's going on with them lately. I think they're having a nervous breakdown because they've been really bad. So yeah, I guess I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to end this video looking super cool and fashionable in my new sunglasses. If you're looking for a hot pink lip gloss that is super pigmented, not sticky at all, comes with a mirror on the side, and has a light on the inside, do yourself a favor, please. It's called Fiji. I'm just saying, I'm just saying. Anyways, I will see y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so that every time I post a video, you will be notified. Because if you don't, then you probably won't be notified, and my video will get like 5 views at the most. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and yeah, I'm going to say goodbye now. I'm gonna say bye y'all again, but I'm not gonna pull that whole bye y'all. Girl, that shouldn't have happened the first time. It's not gonna happen again. So if you were expecting that or looking forward to it, I'm so sorry. Bye y'all, bye y'all, bye y'all, bye y'all. I really have lost it. Okay, I gotta go now, bye.